Welcome to Fort Greene. What's going on, YouTube? We out here, and as you know, it's MVision, man. Please subscribe. Anyway, we out here. Big homie got flavor outside. Hey, what's going on? YouTube, we here again, man. And right now we at the Fort Greene Park right here. And yeah, let's go. We got the green light. It's a green light. It's a green light thing. Let's go. We got the projects over there. Y'all, we want to see what's going on around here. Need a cup of coffee. Sure to God. Roll up the window. All of that nice. Need a cup of coffee, you know. Yo, I still ain't drive one of these yet. That's on my to-do list. Yeah, we get active around here. Hey, mommy, watch the bike. Boy, it be popping over here. And we got the taco truck over there. We got the taco truck, man. I gotta go get me some taco. Baby, you want a taco? Look, we got the taco truck. Let me show you the taco truck, baby. You see? Yeah, we got taco action over there. Hold up. Yo, save me some of that weed, bro. Go over there, smoke up by yourself. Oh, you over here, smoke by yourself. Oh, we ain't turning up there. Should turn up there. Nah, we ain't turning up there. We're not turning up there. Fruit stand over there and thing like that. Them pineapples look sweet though, I ain't gonna lie to you. They ain't even gonna hold you. Them pineapples look sweet. Now the summertime I really get some sweet pineapple. I don't know about now. You feel me? Got you. Over Myrtle Avenue here. Feel me? So you are going to Clinton right now trying to cut out some of these traffic. If you know, you know. You hear that already? You're this guy behind here, so and I turn up the road. I'm turning up the road and the man I make a billion noise. That is crazy, bro. I'm telling y'all, it be so quiet out here sometimes. You ain't even lie, sometimes it be extra quiet. And next time, what? You can't even get peace. You be like, yo, y'all too active right now. You know what I mean? I know no want to see them. I know say no want to see. What's going on? Where is MVision taking y'all? You know? I know so I don't want to know these things. Don't tell no lie. You know about that over there, sir. See the Vespa over there, sir? What do you know about Vespa? That may tell you, someone never even have a under 50 yet. That boy here. Dark, no man. Yo, go downtown Brooklyn. And I have to cut out traffic, bro. Motorcycle, that's a scrambler. What do we got over here? Scrambler, fellas. What's that? Mommy on the bike. First you gotta pre-mommy on the bike. Yee. Look at that. Fire. Wicked, 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 wicked. That tough. That tough. It's different. I never see one like that, bro. That one is different. Yeah. See, that's what we like. See, we are drive around and I do a vlog and, you know, we are get to see some new stuff, you know. Oh, she look warm. Yeah, so nice. Oh, what does it look like? Yeah, so nice. Yo. Nice building over there, so. I wonder what the price live over there, so. We talk about that. As I don't know, say, right? One thing. I know, say, this city is one of the most hypest, freshest city ever. When it comes to them building of them fresh, but they come with a fresh price. Nice car. Nice buildings. Nice scenery. Yeah. That's why I'm going, you know, charging. So one bird up there fly, where I'm going? Yeah, breeze heavy over there. But it look like renovated, empty. It's empty, no one over there. See this, the signs them up there, so it just work on. So no one is there actually, it's an empty building. Baby, can you see me? Now we're on Fulton Street. Yeah. We are on Fulton. The El Kizat. Parking lot. Type of stuff. Now we're on Atlantic Avenue right here now, fellas. Smash the like. Here. We got Chick-fil-A right here. I ain't even, yo, when they put Chick-fil-A right here, bro. We don't want that on Flatbush. Right by the sneaker store, by Barclays Center, right? We got a Chick-fil-A right by Barclays Center. I didn't know there was one right here too. See. We can get parking, we can go get on chicken sandwich. We're supposed to have enough change to get on chicken sandwich. How much can we get one chicken sandwich in there? I think them cost so much. Go in there, them say, sir! Plus tax, sir! Please calm down. Calm the fuck down, yes. This car have so much damn button, bro. One little button touch and everything changed. What? Button press. Button press. So we go. No, go this way. Wrong way. We're not going back downtown. Almost make a wrong turn. Over this a bar. See a bar over there, so. Alright. A new building I go up here, so. So it's like everywhere you go, it's like a new construction site, bro. So it's like the city doesn't develop overnight. You got your bed and by you wake up, you see a new bar, a new deli, you know. You probably wake up to a new school, courtesy of the city, you know. Hey, shout out to the mayor. Hey! Shout out to the mayor of New York. That's right, I said it. It's MVision. Yeah, you know, we turning up Washington, you know. turning at Washington. Yeah, I know Washington Square. Yeah, we're at Washington Square right now. Yeah. We got Flatbush. But we gotta go through Crown Heights first. Yeah! Hey, come on that plane there. Signal the plane! Make we signal the plane! Immigration, I call out with them. Hey, let me tell you something. Since Trump and the immigration thing, see? Bro, nobody not there on the road. Look, road empty. People don't even want to go car wash, them afraid. Yo, I don't know what Donald Trump do. What Donald Trump do? Look on the road or the road dead, right? Nobody not there on the road, everybody afraid. Yo, but like the road left with me and my friend them. Yo, the black cat. Yo! Outside empty. The man them scared the fuck. Also man said them a did shot. I mean they know say them not on the papers. Them a hide the fuck. Brother, it's sad. But the road empty dog. Them dog. You see me? The site, watch all them places dog. Enough restaurant are them places hombre. Watch. You see me? Be restaurants and thing and rare. One time you forward this dog a be a scooter and delivery man and them thing they see all of them places, bro. You don't see none of that out there, bro. The whole place empty, me G. Empty, dog. Nothing not go on, bro. The place shake up, dog. Yo, Donald Trump shake up the whole place, dog. Me I tell you, say, everywhere. Watch ya. One delivery man and him look like him scared. Yo, bro, I don't know what. Oh my God. America mash up. People is safe to say America done. You know, God. Donald Trump say I fix back in country. You can't make up this a blood fire. So I tell you, say people don't throw stone behind on the ear. Not throw stone behind on. But tell yourself, say which part Smiley come from better than where you live. You're the biggest fuck you could have even convinced yourself. Appreciate what you have. Love what you have. Love your own. See me? Yeah, go get the good things then, but don't stray from yours. What fear? Sight? Yeah, make best of what you have. Stop your fuckery. You might want to find out where you did a rundown. Just not hurt it. Yeah, we want to hurt you out. Some people right now wish them name blood clot. Tell themselves say they may not come at this country. Not right now, bro. I don't think so. This country are the country right now. But you really want to tell yourself say, bro, I hit. Nah, my G. The amount of things that happen right now, bro. It's hard to even, you know, balance out everything. See how fast we reach the night Crown Heights. Yeah, man. Me a lady said to me earlier, them said them dash the bikes them off of the road and thing. I said road won't even know. I mean I don't know there, but it's sad still that just go for show your dog, even if you don't know if you put nothing, just that the whole thing. You see the way New York design, bro. God bless the people who have them yard. Cause 95, I would say 98% of who live in New York do not have a yard. Most people in New York don't have a driveway, don't have a parking. So, that's the thing there. Where you put your bike? You don't know if you put your bike. You rent an apartment, they might make sure tell us you can't have no bike in the apartment. They may not go through that already, bro. I have to put my bicycle outside and them thief it. You see me? But you see people that walk out the door with some big nasty dog. But them have wrap up in a house with. But you can't keep on bicycle in the way. But you can't ride got work. Just imagine that, bro. So, I don't know what kind of driving that humble that is there a while ago. I remember what you said, right? Remember last, now this summer I do some vlogs out here. Yeah. Remember that.